Very good morning children. How are you all? Doing good? Yes. Then had your breakfast? Very good. Then no need to waste the time children because FE2 is very near. We need to complete our portions, right? So we will start the class. Okay? Tell me what is the date today? Today the date is 19th. We are in the month of October. Year is 2021. Today is Tuesday. Yes, you have English. Right children? Yes. Let us see what is the thought for the day. Yes. Every pain gave a lesson and every lesson changed a person. This is the thought for the day. Yes. Then please take out your module 5 children. Yes, workbook. Workbook part 1 module 5. Take it out. Yes. Page number 53. Yes. In module 5 we are going to learn dictation words, listen and answer, suffix, adjectives, summary writing and dialogue writing. Yes, this we will learn in this module 5. Okay? Yes. First we have dictation. Exercise 1.1 word dictation. So I will say the dictation words. You should write down. Will you write? Yes. I should write it on the board. Yes. Try to write children. You should write by yourself. Okay. First one is classical. 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 Outdated. OUT. Outdated. Dated. Outdated. Then old fashioned. OLD. Old fashioned. FASHIONED. Old fashioned. Then fourth one, patron. PATTERN. Patron. Fifth one, unenthusiastically. UNENTHUSIASTIC. Unenthusiastic. Okay. Then sixth one. Sorry children. Sixth one. Actually. 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 Seventh one. Melodiously. MELODIOUS. Melodiously. Eighth one. Heavenly. 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 Ninth one. Divine. 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 Okay. Yes. Then next we have, turn the page number 54. Yes, we have exercise 1.2. Listen and answer. Yes, I will play on the audio children. I will play the audio. Listen very carefully. Then you must tell the answer. Okay. Before I used to tell the story, right? Now what I am doing? Now I will be telling what I will put the audio for you. So listen that carefully. Then you will answer. Okay? Yes. Are you ready, children? Listen carefully.
I understand you had a theft tonight. Could you tell me everything that happened?
Yes, of course. I was sleeping and I heard a loud noise in the kitchen.
And what did you do?
I got up and went downstairs very quietly. Then I saw a man going out of the window.
Can you describe the thief?
Sure. He had dark hair and a medium build. I couldn't see his face well, but he was wearing a blue shirt.
Did he steal anything?
Well, it was very bizarre. He knocked down the refrigerator and stole all the food.
Did you listen, children? Did you listen the audio? Shall I play once again? So listen carefully, okay? I'll play once again. Listen carefully, children.
I understand you had a theft tonight. Could you tell me everything that happened?
Yes, of course. I was sleeping and I heard a loud noise in the kitchen.
And what did you do?
I got up and went downstairs very quietly. Then I saw a man going out of the window.
Can you describe the thief?
Sure. He had dark hair and a medium build. I couldn't see his face well, but he was wearing a blue shirt.
Did he steal anything?
Well, it was very bizarre. He knocked down the refrigerator and stole all the food.
Yes, children, did you hear that? Yes? Then shall I ask the questions? Yes, you should answer me, okay? What was Mr. Shastri doing when she heard a loud noise? The lady who spoke in that audio, right? She is Mrs. Shastri, okay? Mrs. Shastri, Miss Shastri's wife, okay? So, what she was doing when she heard the loud noise? What she was doing, children? Tell me. She was sleeping when she heard a loud noise. Okay. So, I will write that answer on the board. Please copy down in your book. First one. Mrs. Shastri was sleeping when she heard a loud noise. Okay, copy down, children, fastly. Then second one. Where did she go when she heard the noise? Where did she go? Tell me. Tell me, children. She went when she heard the noise. She got up and went to the downstairs. Okay. When she heard the noise, she got up and went downstairs. Okay. Copy down now itself. Then third question. What was the thief doing when Mrs. Shastri saw him? The thief, when Mrs. Shastri saw the thief, she was going out of the window. Okay, the thief was going out of the window. When Mrs. Shastri saw the thief, he was going out of the window. Okay. Fourth question. What was the thief wearing? She told some color. Which color? Yes, blue. Yes. The thief was wearing. The thief was wearing a blue shirt. Blue shirt. Yes. Fifth one. What did the thief steal? What did he steal? The thief stole. The thief stole all the food. All the food, right? Yes. Copy down, children. Copy down fastly. Page number 54. Then next we have vocabulary. Suffix. Okay, you know suffix already, right? Exercise 2.1. Word match time. Form nouns by adding the suffix ment or ion or tion, okay, to the given verbs. Here are some verbs they are given. You have to form the nouns. Okay, you have to form the nouns with the suffix, adding suffix. That is ment, ion, tion. These three you should add to this word, to these words. Okay. So let us see. I will write it on the board, children. Please copy down. Watch the video and complete it. Okay? Yes. So exercise 2.1. Okay. First one is agree. Is there right? You will write agreement. This is what I am writing is answer only. Okay, write down the answer. Then second, agreement. Then attachment. Can we write attachment? No. Appointment? Yes. Appointment. 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 Then suggestment. Can we write suggestment? No. Payment? Yes. Payment. Write down payment. Okay. Three words they have given. Okay. Then already that is 3 and this is 5th answer. Okay. So here comes the second answer. Then 4th answer. Then 6th answer. Okay. Yes, children, like that you have to write. Then attraction. Correct. Attraction. Next is attraction. 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 Then after attraction, suggestion. Yes, suggestion. Then yes, invention. Invention. Okay. Yes. Write down, children. The next exercise 2.2, fill in the blanks by using either ION, TION or MENT. Correctly in each case, use the base word in brackets as hints. They have given the hints. So you have to add ION to that word also, hints. Okay. So let us see page number 55. Okay. Yes. Meera is moving in the dash of the campus. Direction. You should write direction. 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 Okay. Here direct they have given. You will write ION. You have to add for that word and write it direction. Okay. Then Zahir showed a marked dash in his writing skills. Improvement. Here they are given improve. You should write improvement. Okay. Improvement. Okay. Then next. The dash continued until Rita expected defeat. Argue they have given. You will write argument. Yes. Argument. MENT. Okay. Argument. You have to add MENT for this word. Then burying a person alive was a harsh punish they have given. You have to write punishment. Punishment, can you write that? It is not a correct one, right? So MENT will be the correct pronunciation. So punishment given by rulers in olden times. Okay. The dash, here they have given construct. Construction, correct? Can you write constructment? It is not correct, right? So construction. Write down construction. Okay. Then my old grandmother needs to take medicines after every meal for proper. They have given here digest. Can you write digestment? No. Digestion only, right? So write DIGESTION, digestion. Okay. Complete it, children, now itself. Yes, then turn next page. Yes, next what we have? Adjectives. Grammar part, next we have adjectives. Adjectives are the words that describe nouns and pronouns. What is adjective? Adjective is the words that describe noun and pronoun. Noun and pronoun that is called adjective. You already know, right children? Yes. Read the passage and underline the adjective. State whether these are adjectives of quality, quantity or number. Okay. First one is, see they have given the passage, we will read that. Okay. Alan is a tall boy. Here boy is being described. So what you should underline? Underline tall. See children, underline tall. See, underline. Then he is wearing a new t-shirt. They are describing t-shirt. Which you will underline? New. Right? Underline new. Then this is the 5th t-shirt he has been gifted this year. 5th. Here they have number also. See, number, quantity, quality. Right? So 5th also you should underline. That is also describing word. He really loves his toy cars. Cars we can write, but they have mentioned whether it is a toy car or real car. Right? So toy is the describing word. Underline. Then next, Alan has 7 toy cars. How many? Number, right? So 7 also you should underline. Alan carries some water and a little milk when he goes out to play with his cars. Yes, see here Alan carries some water. That is also come under the number. Correct? So underline that. Water and a little milk. Little also will come under the number only. So that also underline. Okay. Then you have to write whether it is which adjective you should write. Okay. See, I will write on the board answer. Okay. See page number 56. Copy down there children. Adjectives. Adjectives of quality. Okay. Adjectives of quality are which we have marked tall. Okay. Tall is a adjective of quality. What type of quality it is we are describing, right? So that comes under the quality. Adjectives of quality. So tall. Then new. Which quality? New or old quality, right? Then toy. Yes. Toy. Which type of toy? We are describing, right? This all comes under the quality. Then next adjectives of quantities. Quantities. Adjectives of quantities. Quantities on children. Quantity. Okay. That is some little. We are telling the quantity. We are not telling the exact number. Right? Exact number we are not giving. That's why it comes under the quantity. Which quantity? How many quantity like that. So some and little comes under the adjectives of quantity. Okay. Then adjectives of numbers. Here we have given the correct numbers. Okay. Adjectives of numbers. Number. Okay. That is 5th and 7th. Correct. 5th, 7th you have been underlined, right? Yes. 5th is a number. Right. 5th and 7th. These are numbers. So this comes under the adjectives of numbers. Okay. Are you understanding? Quality is which quality? How big it is, small it is. Like we are describing that in a proper way. That comes under the quality. Okay. That is tall, new, toy. Then adjectives. New toy. Okay. New toy. This is one word. Sorry children. Then adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity means how much quantity you are telling. But you are not telling the exact number. Right. So some, little, we don't know how much. Correct. So that comes under the quantity. Understanding children? Then next adjectives of numbers. That is 5th and 7th. You know numbers already. Right. So that comes under the adjective of numbers. Right. Are you getting children? Yes. Then next what we have, remember. Let us remember. Adjectives of quantity point out qualities of noun. They answer the question of what kind. Yes. See, adjectives of quality will point out the qualities of noun. the quantity it is describing, right? And they answer the question of what kind of toy, what kind of boy, like that. It answers, right, for the question. So it comes under the adjectives of quality. Understand, children? Example like blue sky, lovely day, noisy street, large room, old shirt, new shirt. Yes, like that. Are you getting? Yes. Then next we have adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity tell us how many or how much. Quantity means how many and how much it is describing, right? That is comes under the adjectives of quantity. Okay, example, some, a little, then several, much, many, lot, plenty, few. This all comes under the, yes, quantity. Okay, adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of numbers tell us about the number of position. Number of the position of the nouns or pronouns. Noun let it be, pronoun let it be, in which place it is, right? That it is describing, right? And it is spoken about. They tell us how many also. How many, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. Number wise also. Okay. This all comes under the adjectives of numbers. Okay. Example 5, 17, 5th, 6th, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. Okay. The place also it shows and it shows the number also. Understand? This all comes under the adjectives of numbers. This and all you should remember, children. Once again read this, remember. Okay. In your page number 56. If you keep on reading that, you will recall it. Okay. Then next we have turn the page number 57, exercise 3.1. Read the paragraph and underline the adjectives. Sort them into adjectives of quality, quantity and number. One is already done for you. Adnandan was excited. See, already excited is underlined. It is describing, right? That's right. He was going to the market by himself for the first time. Okay. For what time? First time. So, first is the adjective. Okay. So, underline, children. First, second, third. I already told you that comes under the adjectives of numbers. Correct? So, underline that. Then he entered the busy market. Busy market. Here, quantity market. Which quantity? Busy or full, what? Rush and all. This all comes under the adjectives of quality. Okay. So, underline busy. Then next, and went to a shop. He bought some juice and 3 packets of biscuits. Some juice. Okay. Some. That means it comes under the adjectives of quantity. Correct? How much? Some, little. Like that. Okay. So, underline some. And 3 packets of biscuits. 3. Here it comes under the adjectives of number 3. Okay. Underline 3. Then he had enough money to buy these things. Enough money. Exact money they have not mentioned. Enough money they have mentioned. So, enough will comes under the adjectives of quantity. Okay. So, underline the enough. Okay. Then you have to write these underlined words here in adjectives of quality, quantity and adjectives of number. Okay. So, busy. Yes, this is already excited they have written. You have to write busy because busy is describing the, yes, quality of market. What type of quality of market it is. Okay. So, write busy. Then adjectives of quantity. Quantity I already told you, exact number they are not given. Right. That is some and enough. Okay. This comes under the quality adjectives of quantity. Okay. Adjectives of numbers. That is first. Yes. First place, second, third, 3, 4 like that. Okay. So, first comes under the adjectives of number. Then 3. Yes. 3 comes under the adjectives of number because it is a correct number. Okay. So, write down, children. Completed. Yes. Then next we have degrees of comprehension. Degrees of comprehension. Read the following sentence. Delhi is a cold during winter. In winter season, Delhi adjective that simply describes the weather condition of Delhi during winter. During winter, it is describing how cold that city it is. Okay. Then in the second sentence, the adjective is coldest. Sorry, colder. Colder. Okay. It compares the weather condition to Shimla and Delhi. It is comparing both the cities. Right. So during winter, these both cities, Shimla and Delhi, from Delhi, the Shimla is more colder. Okay, more. It is describing the more thing. So this is the colder is the adjective. Okay. Then in the third sentence, the adjective is coldest. Coldest is used to compare the weather condition of the Delhi, Shimla and Leh during winter. These three cities, among these three cities, Leh is the more coldest place. Okay, like that. This is the we describing these both cities. Instead of these both cities, Leh is the more coldest place. Like that. Understand? Then it shows the comparison. It will show the comparison. See, even students are there. See, this boy is very taller than this boy. This boy is very shorter than this boy. We will compare, right? Even we can compare the pencil and this marker also. See, marker is tallest, but the pencil is shortest. So we are comparing the both objects, right? So marker will be the tallest one and the pencil will be the smallest one. See, we are comparing the both things, right? Like that only. Here also cities, three cities also, they are describing each other. Okay, that is Delhi is the cold place and the Shimla is colder place. Then Leh is the coldest place. Okay, like that they are describing among themselves only, that cities only. Are you getting, children? Yes, hope you are understanding, right? Yes. So today till here this is enough. If I go more, it will be more. Okay. So today enough. We will meet you in the next class. Bye.